passenger side. Pull the lever. To release the bonnet catch on these DS's, a little bit different. Pull it up. I'm going to try and do it one-handed while holding the camera with the other. Put your hands, the catcher aft is down a little bit, so you put your hands in and you'll feel to the side of where the engine bonnet holder is. Go to the right of that and you'll feel a little plastic lever. You have to fiddle about with it, and it's basically where my finger is, next to my thumb. You just pull it to the left, or push it to the left. I'll try and hold it up so you can see. Like that. And that releases it from that bit. And get your bonnet catch. Put it in place. And luckily, both sides don't look too bad to get to. So then, indicator, main headlight bulb to the right hand side of the side light. Pull the weatherproof rubber cap off. Again, it's all upside down in the dark, awkward to get to, but not as bad as some. Let's see if I can. There you go, not too bad. They're normally held on with little, which these are as well, little spring clip type affairs, and they just hook kind of a little plate just at the top, which you can't quite see because it's too dark in there. And what you do one side first, pull it in, and then the other, and then just like unhook around these little lug, and then you just gently pull the bulb out. There's your headlight bulb. Again, don't touch it with your fingers, especially if it's a new one. It unplugs from this plastic bit here and then just slots in. You can only go in one way. And then to replace,
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.